Right. So, for this lesson, imagine that you work for a big company. The data you typically work with is quite large. Tables like this one are a frequent occurrence, and this is a perfect example. Many, many rows of data. Some rows are colored in yellow, so apparently one of your colleagues has been through the file because she has highlighted certain rows. Let's suppose she wanted to emphasize the highlighted cells for me. Are you going to have to read all the data? Should you scroll and read the highlighted parts of the text, then scroll again and again until you get to the last row of the highlighted data? Not necessarily. Here is what Excel is capable of doing in these situations. To filter by color, you will have to create a filter. Let's select the top row of the table and add a filter. Then, once we've done this, we can select the type of filter that will be applied to the rows of the table. In our situation, we only want to filter rows colored in yellow. So, in the middle of the drop-down list that opens, we can select Filter by Color. Press the yellow rectangle and only the highlighted cells of the table will be displayed. Generally, if the table contains different colors, you can see all of them here. Alternatively, you could filter by No Fill, which would mean you would see all the cells of the table that have no color applied to them. Pretty great! Keep up watching the rest of the videos from this section. Thanks for watching.